Today, I'll show you how to log in to your MetaTrader 5 account. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone or computer. If you have just installed it, you may see the option to open an account or log in to an existing one. Choose the option to log in to an existing account. Next, search for your broker's server. This step is very important because your account will only connect if you select the correct broker and the correct server name. In most cases, your broker sends this information by email after you create your trading account. After that, enter your login details. Usually, you need three things: your account number, your password, and the server. Type them carefully, especially the password, because even a small mistake will stop the login from working. Once everything is entered, tap or click Sign In. If the details are correct, MetaTrader 5 will connect to your account and you'll be able to see your balance, charts, and trading options right away. If the login fails, double-check your account number, password, and server. Also make sure you are using MetaTrader 5, not MetaTrader 4, because those platforms use different account systems. And that's it. You are now logged into your MetaTrader 5 account and ready to start using the platform. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.